We believe it's perjurious. So talagang kailangan panagutin si Ramil Madriaga para dito. Nabanggit ko na rin na actually the supplemental affidavit proves that the first perjury is perjured. The reason why we exerted all this effort to file the second complaint is because we want to show the people also na ganitong klaseng testigo ang balak gamitin ng prosecution laban kay VP Sara. Malicious, baseless, and desperate witness. So ganun din yung character ng mga taong nasa likod ng impeachment. Wala talaga silang basihan. Talagang politika lang ang habol nila. Nagsisinungaling yan si Madriaga, hindi namin kayo pipigilan. Siyempre kakasuhan namin siya dahil kailangan niyang managot dun sa mga kasinungalingan niya. Wala naman kasing bearing kung mapatunayang nagsisinungaling siya sa impeachment court. Kung walang final na kaso, walang consequence. So kaya final itong criminal complaint para may consequence dun sa mga kasinungalingan niya. Meron siyang impact in a way na pag pinapakita namin sa tao kung gaano kasinungaling tong si Madriaga, naaapektuhan yung credibility ng prosecution at ng impeachment effort against the Vice President in general. So that's always been our opinion from the very beginning of all of this. When we first filed the first perjury complaint, we said parang Trojan horse yan si Ramil Madriaga. Parang because of that, magka-crumble yung kaso ng prosecution. They've realized na masasabugan lang sila ng sarili nilang witness kapag present nila itong si Ramil Madriaga. So there's a question of whether they will present him at all.